Hey guys, so we're gonna be trying fried chicken ice cream. We tried this before, but we haven't made it ourselves. So we're gonna try one just in case. I know I probably won't like it. So it's vanilla ice cream, a chocolate bone. Oh, they real fancy with the packaging. It's giving chicken. Yeah, let's try this fried chicken. I'm gonna take a bite. And you're gonna take a bite. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's good. It gets a 5 out of 10 for me. I see what they were trying to do. I see what they were trying to do. It's good. See y'all when we come back with something else to try.
Ooh, I look like Michael Jackson.
Piss me off.